With the current climate crisis and the ongoing rising population, raise concerns if the food and livestock industry will meet the food demands in the near future. A solution that gained popularity was lab grown meat. Also known as clean meat, cultured meat, or vitro meat, is meat grown in cell culture and not from an animal's body. It is not identical to plant based meat, instead, is made by extracting a sample of stem cells from a live animal. These stem cells are then put in large tanks known as bioreactors, providing the cells medium of oxygen, salt, sugar, proteins, etc., deceiving the cell into thinking that it is in an animal's body. The culture is changed so that stem cells can differentiate into the main components of meat, like muscle, fats, and connective tissues. These separate groups of cells are then arranged to build meat through a process called scaffolding. Scaffold is an edible material made from naturally occurring polymers that helps in organization of meat cells. To get the flavor and color of real meat, heme is used, which is a complex red organic pigment containing iron and other atoms to which oxygen binds. It is extracted from soy roots, followed by inserting their DNA with yeast, which is then fermented in a sugar solution in a bioreactor. The uprising of food neophobia and lack of research with their potential disadvantages remains a barrier to public acceptance of lab-grown meat. With this high level of cell multiplication, some dysregulation is likely to happen, which might become a causing factor for cancer. Some cuts may be made for easier production. For example, a sterile environment is difficult to maintain. Antibiotics might be used to prevent contamination of the cell culture. Lab-grown meat, in theory, seems like a dystopian fantasy, but seeing the enthusiasm of smart and rich people proves it will become a reality and might just be the norm in the near future.